Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Polypipe underfloor heating and you need to do a hard reset on the Smartstat thermostat. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your thermostat's not connecting to the Wi-Fi or if it's not following proper protocol, if it doesn't seem to be responding to what you're telling it to do, if it's not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up in a new home or in a new situation and you just want to get everything cleared off of it so that you can get a fresh start like it's just new coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. What we're going to do is we're going to come over to these buttons on the bottom and we're going to scroll over until we get to the power icon, and then we're going to hit the check button so that we can turn the display off. And that will actually highlight the setup. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to press, once that setup is highlighted, then we're going to press and hold the check button for 10 seconds. Now all of the icons on the screen will then flash onto the screen for 2 seconds, and then you'll see number 1 and then number 2 show up on the screen. So if you want to reset the whole thermostat, we're just going to go with selection number 1, and we'll just go ahead and maybe we can toggle over to the 1 if it's not already highlighted, and then hit the check button again to confirm it, and that will reset everything to the factory default out of the box settings.